Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer money from PayPal to Luno in 2025. If you're into cryptocurrencies or just want to fund your Luno account quickly, this step-by-step guide is perfect for you. First off, a quick note. Luno is a trusted cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and store digital assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But remember, you can't directly transfer from PayPal to Luno, so we'll use your bank as a bridge. Let's dive in. Step 1. Make sure you have accounts set up on both PayPal and Luno. If you don't, head to their websites or apps and create one. It's straightforward and free. Once you're logged in, verify your accounts for smoother transactions. This helps avoid any delays. Step 2. In your PayPal account, link it to your bank account or debit card. Go to the Wallet section, add your bank details, and confirm the connection. This is crucial because PayPal doesn't support direct transfers to crypto exchanges like Luno. Step 3. Withdraw the funds from PayPal to your linked bank account. Simply select the amount you want to move, choose your bank as the destination, and confirm the transfer. Keep in mind, this might take 1 to 3 business days, and there could be small fees involved, so check that beforehand. Step 4. Now, log into your Luno account and navigate to the Deposit section. Look for options to add funds via bank transfer. Enter the amount and select your bank as the source. Follow the prompts to complete the deposit. It should link up seamlessly. Step 5. Once the funds appear in your Luno wallet, you're all set. You can now use that money to buy cryptocurrencies or invest. Always double-check for any security measures, like two-factor authentication, to keep your accounts safe. And there you have it. Transferring money from PayPal to Luno doesn't have to be complicated. In 2025, with evolving fintech, things might get even easier, but this method works great for now. If you run into any issues, reach out to PayPal or Luno support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-saving tips and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.